Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. Today we're going to be getting into a couple of boxes. They're both the same box, but one of them is made slightly different because it's a month old. However, I've never seen a box arrive to my door in just such a state before. It's tragic looking. So even though it is a month old and ended up somehow in my basement and I kind of forgot about it for a little while, I had to dig this puppy out so we could look at it together because I have been curious. Daggone George. So today we're going to be looking at the Glow Addict beauty box. This one is from this month. It's very heavy. I feel like there's a nice sizable hefty thing inside of this. And then we just have this crowning achievement of destroyed mail that I've received to my door. There's kind of a running joke on my channel about how my mailman actually hates me. I don't think this one was my mailman because apparently it was damaged in handling in Memphis, Tennessee. So this is what the box looks like. The front of it, not too bad. We got some crushed in parts here, some scuffs. But then as we decide to flip her over, we begin to see that it has been entirely crushed. Looks like it's been maybe run over by several vehicles, then completely busted apart at the seams and retaped together with packing tape. So I'm just incredibly curious. A lot of fuzz flying around for some reason. So we're going to be getting into both of these boxes today, but first I'm very excited to announce that today's video is sponsored by Skillshare. And right now Skillshare is giving away a free 2-month unlimited access trial to my subscribers who click the link down below in the description. We will be talking a little bit more about them in between the two unboxings, so let's go ahead, hop into the first one here since it is this month's box. I figure we'll go ahead and do this one in case you guys don't want to see the last month's because I'm late because of always something stabby. Who knows? Let's see. This looks like a sharp piece of plastic. Okay, so this box, I have said from the very beginning, just has the same brands over and over again in it. So the very first brand that I'm seeing is from Cast Cosmetics. I don't know if they have a partnership with these brands. The same person who owns the box owns Cast Cosmetics, but these types of brands are in this box all the time. So I have a Scorpio Thingamerdoodle. Oh, a holographic lip gloss. That sounds kind of fun. Oh, ow, pain. Ow. Alright, so that is very shiny and shimmery. For some reason, Scorpio, I was expecting it to be more fiery orange red for some reason. This is kind of a pale goldy pink shade. I personally know that I'm probably not going to get a lot of use out of it, and I really am trying to be less wasteful with cosmetics, so I don't think I'm going to swatch this or anything. I'll get you guys another good close-up so you can really see what's going on inside the tube there. And I'm pretty sure I'm just going to go ahead and pass this along to somebody else or donate it or save it for a giveaway. So one item from Cast Cosmetics. The next thing we have in here, are these also from Cast Cosmetics? What do you know? Okay, so we have a Cast Cosmetics Premium 3D Lashes. I got mine in the style Pegasus. Oh, these are actually kind of pretty looking. Since we now know that I have one gross pair of eyelashes, it's probably a good thing that I received another pair. You know what? I actually don't know where those gross eyelashes went. They're probably stuck to the bottom of something somewhere. I'm not really 100% sure if I like this kind of clustered spiked look. I don't really know if I've ever tried on a pair of lashes like that, but it might look better on the eye. They do have a super thick band on them, which for someone who's really bad at eyelashes, it kind of makes it a little bit difficult, at least for me. I feel like we just got this. Did we not just get this? This looks or maybe we received something from this brand that looked very similar. So this is from Iconic Beauty. This is a blur stick. I think whatever we received last time was completely clear. I'm racking my brain. I'm I feel like I've seen this before, but I have such bad memory that I really don't know. Anyway, this is what it looks like. So we have holographic outside packaging, which this is definitely more holographic than that lip gloss. And on the inside, we kind of have a tannish, taupish looking blurring stick. I feel like they're definitely going for a Milk Makeup kind of look on this. I feel like Milk Makeup even might have a product that is called a blur stick that looks very similar. All right, next up we have something here called Moist Up. I know how y'all feel about the word moist. To be honest with you guys, that word doesn't bother me very much, but the word that does bother me is thick. Which 2019 is an unfortunate time for me because that word is everywhere. Not in the same context as it typically is, but it's out there a lot. Anyway, this is the Moist Up Super Hyalurone ampoule serum with super hydro and oil capsule. No, just capsule, oil capsule. So this is supposed to be a moisturizer. It looks like it is a K-beauty brand from Alicia Coy. Ooh, come on out of there. Oh, it's really pretty. Ooh, I like the bottle a lot. I get, what are all those little bubbles in there? This is honestly beautiful. It looks like a lava lamp. It looks like my youth. I used to have a lava lamp. Or did I have one, or did my cousin have one? I just thought I had one. That happened a lot. I thought I had all sorts of cool stuff when I was little, but nope. They just belonged to my cousin and I played with them. Anyway, at one point, I think I had a lava lamp that looked kind of like this. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see this or not, but there's like all these tiny little bubbles in it. I'm wondering if that's the oil capsules they were talking about, or if it's just not blended well. I don't know, but it's really, really pretty. Oh, it smells like a fancy salon. Oh, blew a bubble. There are little bubbles in it. Oh, this is super cool. Okay, I like this a lot. I mean, I have literally no idea if it works well or anything, but there are tiny little bubbles in it and it's pretty, so I like it. It does feel super duper moisturizing, but I feel like I have little pieces of like oil gel capsule kind of all over my hand. Maybe eventually they'll rub in. I don't know. I like this though. I think it's a little bit fun, a little bit different. Okay, the next item we have here, which is something that is definitely not different. We have something from Ruby May, which is another repeating brand in these boxes. There are three like little travel size brushes in here. They are pretty cute. It looks like we have an assortment of eye brushes. I like the pale pink on them. But again, not wanting to be wasteful, I think I'm going to set these to the side to give away to somebody else. I already have a good amount of brushes that are all dirty and need washing, so I don't want to add any more to the stack right now. The very last thing in here looks kind of fun. So this is from Maybe. I don't think I've ever heard of that brand before. This is the Take Me to Hong Kong palette, and it slides out just like that. Very excited to see what these shadows look like. Ooh, these are really pretty. This is quite a different, like, I don't know, color combination that I'm used to seeing in a lot of these boxes. More vibrant colors, greens, purples. This is really cool. I feel like this shade here would be an absolutely fantastic transition shade. I'm gonna get some just quick swatches of these. We'll just do a little assortment here. So there's that one that I said would make a really, oh, I swatched it on the serum-y stuff. This is that one that I said would make a super pretty transition shade, and then we have like kind of a metallic-y gold, which is beautiful. Then a metallic-y red. Oh my gosh. I know it's swatched on top of the serum-y stuff, but dang. And the last one here is a matte purple, which is also really pretty. A little bit patchy, but I know purples are hard. Man, those are really, really pretty. I'm impressed. This box unfortunately doesn't come with like any price list or anything, which I think is something it definitely should. I think that's important for any type of subscription box, but I'm decently happy with this month's box. I think the palette is really, really cute. I love this little lava lamp. The other things are just kind of like meh, meh. But I think this is a pretty okay box. I do think it is maybe just a little bit expensive because it is kind of on par with like BoxyCharm for price, but I don't really think you get the same value in this box as you do BoxyCharm. But out of all the boxes, I think that was one of my favorites actually, because that palette is just super pretty. All right guys, moving on to our second box. But first, I'm very excited to share with you guys that today's video has been sponsored by Skillshare. For those of you who don't know, Skillshare is an online learning community for creators with thousands of classes in business, design, and more. Premium memberships give you unlimited access so you can join the classes and communities that are just right for you. I personally am really excited about and really enjoying a class called Style Your Space, Creative Tips and Techniques for Interior Design, because I'm gonna be moving into a new house soon, and I've never ever decorated a whole home before. So I don't really know how that's gonna go, so I'm really looking forward to a lot of the tips and tricks that I'm going to be learning from this course. And who knows, with the help of Skillshare and this course, maybe my entire home won't look like a Halloween Express, because that's kind of the direction we're going right now. So whether you want to fuel your curiosity, creativity, or even a career, Skillshare is the perfect place to keep you learning and thriving. So you can join more than 7 million creators learning with Skillshare, and right now Skillshare is giving away a free, entirely free, 2-month unlimited access trial to my subscribers who click the link down below in the description box, and then after that it's about $10 a month. So just think about what you could be able to learn in 2 months, especially with the winter months coming up. Things are going to get cold and chilly and you might not want to go outside and do stuff, so it would be a perfect time to invest in learning a new skill. Just a huge thank you again to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. I can't really explain to you the reasons why I'm so excited to get into this just smushed atrocity. I just am. It's something that cannot be explained. But yeah, very excited to see what's in here. Y'all can go ahead and leave bets down below in the comments on how many pieces in here you either think are A, missing, B, smushed to pieces, or 3, actually intact. You know, the classic system there of A, B, and 3. Ooh, I'm so excited. I would like for you to just go ahead and guess. Just put a number down there. How many items do you think are left in this box? Reminding you that the last box came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. Ta-da! That would be a grand total of 2. Either the other ones were so crushed beyond repair that they felt bad putting them back in this box and bubble wrapping them, taping it up and shipping it to my home. Or 2, as the truck was just like running over it, they kind of went like boop out the side and then like rolled down the street. Let's just go ahead and see what the 2 items are. I honestly am amazed that this box isn't more smushed than it is. So we have another pair of Zolo lashes. Ooh, I'm actually really excited about this because those gross lashes that I put on in my last video, the ones that are probably stuck to the bottom of something right now, were Zolo lashes as well, and I actually really liked them. These are in the so hard to say style versus shade when you're so used to saying shade. These are in the style OMG. They're a little bit more on like maybe the subtle side than the last lashes I had, but I think they're pretty. They're a bit more like dispersed and less like clumpy and pointy than the other pair of lashes that we received in the last box, but they do have that kind of thick band. I am excited to see how these look on the eye if I do ever get around to putting lashes on my face again. There's also an eyeshadow palette. It looks like a really cool eyeshadow palette too. I'm just hoping it's not crushed to pieces. It looks fairly, that's a pretty good bend in the back there, but it does look fairly intact. So this is the Pop Zombie from Ruby May. And again, we have something else from Ruby May, but I do like the artwork on the front and it's very fitting for last month. All right. That is a daggone miracle. Are you kidding me? Keep in mind that this was shipped to me in this box. It's not busted. I'm 100% impressed that this was not busted. I saw like how bent up it was here in the back corner and I thought this is just gonna be a big pile of powder. But no, it's not. Ew, pus? Okay, zombies, that makes sense, but just not a fantastic shade name. Anyway, so this is what the palette looks like. I do like that they include some palettes with some fun colors in them. There are some really fun names like Brains, Plague, Corpse, Pus, and Necro. Again, I'll just give you guys a couple little swatches. Plague looks super, super cool. I like this deep blue Necro shade. And then Corpse, and why not? Let's just rub our fingers around and Pus a little bit. Ooh, not too sure about that Pus. It's looking real patchy on my pinky. Alright, so we have I wasn't expecting that much pigment, to be honest. That's a really deep, like navy blue. So that is Necro. Then we have Plague, which is another super pretty color. This is Corpse, which is like kind of a cool metallic-y, like olivey green. And then we have Pus. Which, yeah, that one did not swatch fantastically, but these others look pretty good, to be honest. Okay, so that was everything in the second box. That went by real quick for some reason. I think we got 2 pretty cool palettes in these boxes, so that makes me happy. Again, the whole box being like smushed and that kind of stuff, at this point, it's just like a running joke. When I saw it at my door and picked it up, I actually couldn't stop laughing. Like, I thought it was really funny. I know things happen like that in like packaging in transit and that kind of stuff, and it's not really on the box itself to like, it's not their fault, like they didn't run it over with a mail truck, but I did spend my money like on the box, and it is sad to see that there are several items missing. I just can't believe this palette's intact, to be fully honest. I didn't contact customer service or anything because, like I said, it's not the brand's fault, and I do understand that this stuff happens in packaging, and they did leave me like a nice little note in Memphis. It says, damaged in handling, please accept our apologies, rewrapped and repaired in Memphis. So they apologized. Anyway, that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so very much for watching, and again, thank you to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. You guys can find that link for your free 2-month unlimited access trial down below in the description. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. So just thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. And I just hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!